Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Intel Corporation, and there is no introduction required for this particular company as well as the stock and what it is doing. But right now, if you are looking at the long term chart or the overall chart, this particular stock is taking much more time than we are all expecting for it to move to its previous high that it has made during Y2K or in the year 2000. But all is not lost yet, and it's better late than never. That's what I think as far as this stock is concerned, and the overall cost structure has been rising for each and every company across the globe, and markets sometimes factor in all the negatives or much worse than the company's fundamental actually looks right now, because there are perceptions along with the actual fundamentals. So let us now discuss the long-term chart of Intel Corp. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now focus on the long-term trend. Okay, so here is your long-term trend that we have here. This is your long-term chart or the trend that one must look at. So what do we have here? We have 69.11 and we have $78 on the upside. So these are going to be your two specific targets to look at on the upside, and then you are looking at the downside, which is in between 12.51 and 14.55. It does not mean that the stock is now moving towards the lowest end of the range. I'm just explaining you the trend. If you are looking at the current price structure, this stock has already moved beyond some interesting, or I would say rather uh, intermediate supports or a resistance, and because of correction it is now retesting those levels. So the next two big support we have here for Intel is going to be 36.62 and you have 29.63, and I think 29.63 is going to be your important immediate support that one must focus on and may consider this level as your buy zone. And if it falls below 29.63, then obviously 12 and $14 is going to be your next big range. But I don't think right now there is any chance to go below 29.63, and if it indeed moves towards $12, then let me tell you then the consolidation will be much longer than one could expect, and it will take next couple of years to make a move beyond this range. Because if right now the stock takes around 20 years to make this move, and then if it moves like this, obviously it will take another 3 to 5 years to again go higher. So it will be an elongated process. So we have to see whether it will take support at 29 or it will go down further. Right now it is uh, comfortable, or I would say best to say that 29 is going to be your big support, from where we can see an upside towards 69 and 78. And as far as the big trend is concerned, we don't know. What we don't know is about the time, but what we do know is about the trend. So as you can see, the trend looks something like this, and I still think that this trend will persist over a period of time. And if this happens, so what we are looking for is our big target of $78. And once the stock of Intel Corp moves beyond $78 in the longer term time frame or in the upcoming years, then the big target that we are looking at will be in between $230 and $330 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term chart in the next upcoming years of Intel Corporation. But what you are, or what you must focusing on, are the levels where it's going to take support. Okay, and if those level holds, obviously we will see a big move on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.